So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MU. So many of you have been asking me if you compare your actual Apple Watch with the MacBook Pro or with an iPad. So essentially the answer is no. Okay, so I would really love to tell you that you can actually pair with an Android or with a MacBook or with a Gmail, but the answer is you can currently only pair it with an iPhone. Now, does this mean that you need to actually have an iPhone to use it? No, certainly not, but it is true that if you want to use it for notifications, Gmail and so on, you will need an actual iPhone. Okay, so that's how it is currently. We will think in the near future you will be able to pair your iPhone with both a Mac and an actual iPad. So essentially, imagine that you wanted to answer an email of work. Imagine if you could do it with your Apple Watch and control your MacBook. So it would be wonderful, but essentially right now you can only use your actual iPhone. Okay, so if you've got any doubts, however, just leave it in the comments down here below. Me or anyone from the Learning MG team will answer as fully as possible, and as always, thank you very much for watching.